Hello, hope all is well. Hope everything's doing all right. First, let me say I apologize for taking so long to give you this video. First 2 weeks of school has been very hectic for me. Things outside of schools that I've been having to deal with as well. So I apologize for that. So let's go ahead and knock this problem out. You talking about finding a vertical asymptote. Now, this one does not have one because you cannot factor this denominator. If this was t squared minus 16, then you could factor the t plus 4 t minus 4 and then be able to cancel out with this t minus 4 up top. But because it's plus 16, it is not able to be factored. So that's why the vertical asymptotes do not exist. Also, if you were to plug in -4 there for t, that -4 squared is going to be positive 16, which will give you 32. Because once again, that whole -4 is being squared, so that would be -4 times -4, which is that positive 16. So even if you had -4, if you plug it in, it does not cancel. So there is no way for us to have a zero in our denominator, which will create that that vertical asymptote for us. So that's why this would be do not exist. Now, I saw in another email that you asked for a few other problems, but in that email it didn't say anything. I didn't see anything, so I don't know if you missed posting it or the picture didn't come through or whatever. So if you shoot me those, I'm back on track now. I'll be able to get you that explanation, and I will go from there. So once again, this does not exist because we don't have a negative right here, a minus sign. If we did have a minus sign, then we'll be game to go ahead and find some vertical asymptotes. Other than that, you have a good one and take care.